Listen, if you've been craving the perfect Sunday style pot roast, this right here is the one. The gravy is so delicious. The meat is tender. Let me show you guys how to make it. We're going to start by using 3 pounds of chuck roast beef. I'm going to pat it dry, and also I'm going to cut this in half, okay? Now we're going to drizzle a little bit of oil on there. Not too much, just rub it in, flip it over, rub that side as well. Once you're done oiling your meat, you're going in with the seasoning. I'm using a little bit of onion powder, garlic powder, some ground black pepper and salt. We're going to generously season this beef because it's going to pan sear. You still want that flavor on there, so make sure you generously season it. Now we're done seasoning our beef. It's time to pan sear it. I'm so excited to be using these right here, y'all. I'll be using the Buydeem 5-in-1 multi-cooker, and also I'm going to be using the non-stick stock pot. Very excited, so let's quickly unbox it. We have the pot nice and ready to go. I must say, the color is beautiful. And also, I'm very excited to use this because it's non-stick and we have the beef here to pan sear. So let me show you guys a closer look of this. This is a closer look of the slow cooker. The design is brilliant. The color is amazing, first of all. That removable non-stick pot makes serving and cleaning super easy. And my favorite part, you can use the sear and saute function right on the stove to brown your meat. Yes, it's a real time saver for those who love delicious one-pot meals. Another thing, you can set the programmable timer and let the auto keep warm take care of the rest. That's amazing, and it's very, very versatile. The pot is safe for all stove, and the slow cooker base works with all of your current cookware. And also, this slow cooker cooks your beef until it's perfectly tender, keeps the broth nice and thick and rich, and maintain a low, steady heat that's perfect for slow simmering. All right, guys, it's time to sear the beef. I have my setting on the sear and saute setting right here. Also, it's on high. So I'm going to drizzle a little bit of oil in here. I like that this is non-stick, okay? I'm very excited about that. And then I'm going to add my beef right in. Yes, it's very, very hot, as you guys can see. So I'm going to let it get nice and golden brown, then we'll flip it over. All right, guys, it's been a few minutes. Let me flip it over. Ooh, look at that beautiful crust on there. Can y'all see it? Ooh. Yes, yes. Oh, look at that. Let me come close so I can show you guys how beautiful the pot really sear the beef. Can y'all see this? Get you a non-stick pot. This is the result you get, okay? Now let's sear the other side. Now I'm going to remove it and set it aside. Even the other side, you guys, is beautiful. So just remove it for now. Oh, that looks so good. Okay, I'm going to place this right here, okay? In the same pot, go in with some onion, celery, and also some minced garlic. I'm going to fry that for a few minutes. And now the onion and the celery is nice and soft. I'm going in with a little bit of carrots, baby carrots, a little bit of veggie. I'm adding some potatoes as well. I'm just going to add them at the bottom. As a whole, you don't want to overcook them. And I think that's good enough. And now I'm going in with the beef right on top, just like this. Perfect. And then we're going in with some Worcestershire sauce, a little bit of beef cubes, okay? To break this because it's sometimes If you don't break it before adding it in, it kind of stay as a whole. And also I have some more seasoning going in. A little bit of salt, not too much. Italian seasoning. A little bit of ground black pepper, onion, and garlic powder. Now I'm going in with some beef broth. Like, ooh, just pour it. And now I'm adding some red wine. Let's pour that, about 2 cups, okay? Next, I'm going in with this seasoning. I like to add it to my pot roast. It's the recipe secret seasoning. It adds such a good flavor to it, so do not skip on this. And once you're done, you're going in with some fresh herbs. Okay, I'm using thyme, parsley, rosemary, lots and lots of flavor. I'm just going to add that in just like this. This is going to be so flavorful. My mouth is already watering from this. I have about 2 tablespoons of cornstarch here. I'm adding a little bit of water to it to make like a cornstarch slurry. Mix it up just like this, and I'm going to pour it in there just to make the gravy nice and thick, you know. Now we just pour it in there just like this and give it a little mix, and we're going to cover it. Now we're going to cover this, allow it to simmer. I have to switch my setting to slow cook. My pot roast is done, you guys. It's been about 4 hours and it smells so good in here. Ooh. Oh my God. So tender, y'all. So tender. Yes, yes, yes. I love that. And it smells amazing. Ooh, and it's hot too. So let's plate it. All right, guys, it is time for the taste test. Y'all see how good this looks. The gravy is absolutely delicious. Of course, I have some garlic mash under here. Let me know if you guys want to see the recipe, but let me tell you, this right here, man, oh man, let's give it a try. This deserves a round of applause. It's so bomb, so flavorful. The beef is tender and it's flavorful, okay? I'm telling you, this right here is the perfect pot roast you ever tasted, y'all. It's so good. I hope you guys give this a try. It is truly amazing. And also, I will leave the link for the 5-in-1 slow cooker in the description box for you guys. Definitely check it out. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye, guys.